So if you look back a little bit of our journey on rebuilds, and really the scope of the rebuilds is to add a second life cycle to a customer with a Caterpillar machine, which really drives that lowest cost per hour and goes a little bit of the CAT motto, built to be rebuilt. We have exceeded our capacity right now to be able to do as many rebuilds as we're doing, and we believe in the next 5 to 10 years, the capacity constraints is something that we need to reinvest in our business. So coming up here to North Kansas City, to add this machine rebuild center will add us more throughput, and with the end goal is to be able to turn tractors back to customers in a quicker time frame.
The value of buying a new piece of Caterpillar equipment from Foley is that those machines are built to be rebuilt. So if you maintain that machine throughout its life, if you get a customer value agreement from us where we maintain the machine throughout its life, once it gets time to be rebuilt, it's in the type of condition that you can put it through a rebuild and bring it back to near new. But the result of that is your cost per ton, cost per foot of asphalt or anything like that is going to be outstanding relative to the competitors.
Really, it's our drive to not say no to our customers. If you go back 10, 12 years ago, we didn't do but 1 or 2 rebuilds, and really with partnering with our customers to give better options and look beyond the normal objections to be able to get whether it be a life cycle machine or simple component reconditioning of buckets and weld work. Really everything we do here at Foley Equipment we do in-house here in the Kansas, Missouri area. We don't outsource any of the work that we do on these kind of projects. So I really think the thing that really I love about the rebuilding of machines is giving that customer the lowest cost per hour. And the second, in many cases, we have customers that are doing 3 life cycles on machines, which really drives the Caterpillar brand. It really takes machines that they're very comfortable with, their operators, it fits well in the organization, and they really just love that particular machine they have, and they don't really see the need to upgrade it to newer technology. A lot of our customers want a little bit older technology, but the nice thing is with the enhancements we can do with the upgrades, we can upgrade technology depending on what the customer's needs are, whether it be a tier upgrade on the engine, depending on their application. We can put different glass in it if they're in a scrap application. We can put LED lights, or we can put things like a lot of the safety pieces like fueling ladders, full camera systems, LED lights. Really the sky's the limit to enhance a customer's older machine to maybe some of the new technologies of the newer machines that they do like. Rebuild can be as minimal as a hydraulic pump or a axle, all the way as comprehensive of the full machine rebuild like we've talked about a little bit. But also there's a lot of things we do that are colorblind, I'm going to call. We have all makes hydraulics. We work on hydraulics on just about every industrial hydraulic system out there or other branded equipment, along with our weld and machine shop capacities, which those are the things that really separate us, the ability to do rebuilds. But it also makes us pretty darn good at working other brands, and we do a lot of that business. So really our goal is to help serve our customers the best way we can to make it easy to do business with Foley Equipment.
It's really important to note about the Rebuild Center that we've been doing this for a long time. We're truly experts in this area. So when you bring a rebuild to Foley, you know it's going to be done right. And we quote you up front so you know exactly what you're getting, and at the end you're going to have a product that you're proud of.
If a customer that's maybe located out of Kansas City picks up another job in another state, that warranty follows that machine just like any other, like a new machine would. And any of the CAT dealer network here in the United States or Canada, that warranty follows it here in North America.
But we love doing rebuilds because it's an excellent solution for our customers, right? I mean, the idea of being able to get a machine that's near new at a fraction of the price puts them in a position to really be productive at a great cost per ton.